Observe the first problem of fourth one in first Roman. See here, given that sin theta equal to minus 1 by 3 and theta does not lie in third quadrant. Okay, before going to solve this, once recall all silver teacups, that is ASTC rule. Okay, children, sign is negative in which and which quadrants? Sign is negative in third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Why? Because by using ASTC rule, sign is positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. Sign is negative in third and fourth quadrants. Remember that one. So our given condition is sin theta is minus 1 by 3, that is negative value. Okay, and theta does not lie in Q3. So sin theta is negative and theta does not lie in Q3, third quadrant. So that's why our given sign ratio lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So which implies theta lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, in fourth quadrant, cos and cot. Cos theta is positive and cot theta is negative. Cot theta is negative. Remember that point. Our given condition is sin theta equal to minus 1 by 3. That is negative. Sin is negative in the case of third and fourth quadrants. But the given condition is theta does not lie in Q3. It means the given trigonometric ratio lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos theta is positive and cot theta is negative. Remember that one. Okay, right. Next, what is the formula for finding the cos theta? Root of 1 minus sin square theta, that is root of 1 minus sin theta value is how much? Minus 1 by 3 whole square, that is root of 1 minus 1 by 9, right? Which equal to, remember, this cos theta is positive in Q4, right? So root of 1 minus 1 by 9, 8 by 9, that is root 8 by root 9, that is 2 root 2 by 3, right? Next, cot theta equal to, what is the formula for finding cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. What is the value of cos theta in Q4? 2 root 2 by 3 by. What is the value of sin theta? Minus 1 by 3. So the final result is minus 2 root 2. Like that we have to do. So write down in your notebook. After that I will explain the second problem of fourth one in first Roman. Okay, right. Problem of fourth one in first Roman. Given cos theta equal to t and t lies between 0 and 1. It means cos theta is positive. And what is the given condition? Theta does not lie in first quadrant. Okay. Generally, observe that cos theta is positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. But theta does not lie in first quadrant. It means cos theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sin theta and tan theta are negative. Sin theta and tan theta are negative. Therefore, sin theta. Children, what is the formula for finding the sin theta in terms of cos? Root over 1 minus cos square theta. But in fourth quadrant, sin theta is negative. Okay. Which equal to minus root over 1 minus t square. Why? Because cos theta value is t. Right? Next, after that, find out tan theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta value is root over 1 minus t square by cos theta value is t. That's it. So like that we have to do the problem. Write down in your notebook.